In this video, we will explain how to attach the safety covers and seals to the compact folding door. Safety covers protect people from getting caught in the rails. The compact door has several safety devices that are easy to install. Safety caps. The safety caps are fitted on the front of the tracks. These covers are provided with slots which are placed over the corresponding hooks in the rails. If the door opening is very low, it may be necessary to cut the safety cap to the correct height. Otherwise, it may impair the folding movement of the door. A black and yellow warning tape should be placed on the front of the safety cap. Side seals are mounted to the safety caps and to the rails. The side seal for the safety cap must be cut at the same length as the safety cap itself. Cut the top of the side seal at a 45-degree angle, so that the door panels cannot get stuck behind it. It is of great importance to start attaching the side seal from the top of the clear opening height to the bottom. Due to the folding movements at the top of the door tracks, we would always recommend to place any seams necessary at the lower part of the door. Please remember to cut the top of the side seal at a 45-degree angle, so that the top rubber can close seamlessly. Side covers. The next step is to attach the side covers to the outside of the rails. Side covers come in mounting clips, front and back pieces. We will start by placing the mounting clips in the intended slots on the rails. The front and back pieces come in lengths of 1250 mm, and you can connect a front and back piece by clicking the parts together using the appropriate ridge. Depending on the track, you will need to choose one of 3 ridges. After connecting these pieces, you can simply place them over the mounting clips on the rails. Standard delivery includes sufficient covers to protect the tracks up to 2500 mm height. Finally, check the overview on the last pages of the installation manual to see whether you have taken all the necessary steps. Enter the installation details in the logbook and place it under the control box. Well done! The compact folding door is completely installed and can be used now.